In this video, I am going to show you how to remove Threads badge on Instagram. So actually, this is just for those people who don't want to see this badge, Threads badge here on your Instagram. Okay, so all you have to do is just simply go to your Instagram account, go to your profile, and under your username, you can see there the Threads badge. You just have to tap this one here, the logo, and then after you tap this one, something will pop up and it says you are plus your number to join threads. Now, under view threads profile, we have your hide badge. Okay, so if you're going to hide this badge here, you just have to make sure that you don't want to put it back. Okay, it's because once you delete the threads from your Instagram bio, there is no going back. Let me say it again. There is no going back. There is no way to add the threads back to your Instagram bio once you have already done so. So they want to give you a chance and ask you, are you sure? You can't add back to your profile once you remove it. So if you are 100% sure that you don't want this badge or threads badge on Instagram, click remove. As easy as that. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.